Okay, so I'm going to look at a normal distribution probability problem. And in this problem, consider that we are looking at a tire company and they're describing the tire mileage. And the mean of the tire mileage is 36,500, while the standard deviation is 5,000. So let's suppose there's two things we want to find. We want to find the probability that the tire mileage will be at most 40,000 miles, or that it will exceed 40,000 miles. So we really just need to find the first one. It's at most 40,000, and then we can do 1 minus that value to get us that it will exceed 40,000. So in order to find this at most 40,000, I'm going to use the normal distribution function. So I will equal norm.dist for distribution, open up a parenthesis, and then there are 4 inputs that we need to enter. So the first input here, labeled x, is the x value we're interested. So for us, that's the at most 40,000. So I'm going to enter 40,000 there. Parenthesis, and then mean, well, the mean was given to us as the 36,500. So I'll enter that with a comma. The standard deviation, which was given as 5,000, and then comma. And then the cumulative here, since we want that it's at most 40,000, so it means it could be 40,000 or anything less, I'm going to enter true and close my parenthesis and hit enter. So I get 0.75804, that the probability of the tire mileage is at most 40,000. And one thing to notice here, if I had found the z-score for 40,000, so let me just do that over here. In order to do that, I would do the number I'm interested in, 40,000, minus the mean, 36,500, and then divide that by my standard deviation of 5,000. I get 0.7. And if I go and I look at a normal distribution table, table of standard normal probabilities, and I look for 0.7, so that is this first column here. 0.7 would be this row down here. It says 0.7580, and that's the same as what we got over here. So it matches up from the normal distribution table of probabilities. Okay, so then to find exceeds 40,000 miles, well, that's the complement of at most 40,000, so I'm just going to hit equals 1 minus, and then the answer I got here, which is in cell B4, so I'll enter that, and then that guy pops up as 0.24196.